Hey guys! Guys, I have got news today. My boy made his first $2,000 from trading.
You serious?
Guys, have you made your first $2,000 more than 1,000? Let's watch. We are going to show you proof of trades, withdrawals, and everything with Exodus.
So guys,
let me actually even be the one to do it.
All right.
So guys, let's start with the performance.
The performance on our Xness. The performance on our Xness.
So guys, this is 7 days ago. This is performance. Look at this.
7 days ago.
Guys, look at this. $2,000. Loss is $272. Look at the profit. Look at the profit. $2,369 profits.
But in 2 days trading.
In 2 days trading.
Not actually the whole
Not even the whole week. Now let's jump on to MT4. This is MT4, guys. You see MT4. Now MT4.
First show them the real account.
It's here, guys. I'm going to up here. You can see this is the real account. Obviously, you can see real account. There's nothing edited here.
Nothing edited.
So you can see this is $654. Even just today, the account was around 300, but he made another 300. Meaning he flipped the account.
I flipped it
Guys.
from the initial balance.
Being able to do this has become without of tears. And I remember even the days where you sent me where you made, I don't know how much I was jogging.
And then boom, news took me out. The account was gone.
Guys,
Bro, I have blown up my own deposits plus the profits that I have made because I didn't know what I was doing. I would say I was gambling. I was gambling because I was excited and all that. This is the reason as to why I decided to focus this year in trading. You get? So there is a time I went to Nairobi. I went to Kenya, and then I came back. I was here just sitting with Junior, and then I saw him checking his trades. Man, them was running in $4,000, man, coming to 5K, man, and I'm like, we are using the same Wi-Fi in the same room, same house, you get, and this guy is making $5,000, and we are seated together, and I'm like, yo, and I'm doing all this. Yes, personally, I do make money off. I make money off content creating and all that, and other hustling stuff. You get, so that is when I was like, Yagga, you need to get serious. Because he has been telling me, bro, learn how to trade. He has never taught me. He can say it with his mouth. He has never taught me. All we just do is a trade.
Mission. Even most of the guys are in my mentorship. I've told you multiple times. I've never told Charlie.
You get. So we always just do like drills.
Actually, what we do is more of like analyzing together charts.
You get.
You understand? So like I'm teaching. No, we're just analyzing charts. First we go here and
You get. So and that is how I saw the market was moving. You get, like I'm seeing things like I'm like I didn't even know how to use trading view. I'm telling you, I didn't know, but I've known about Forex for like 3 years, from 2018 till now. That is literally like 4 years.
And that's the same time I started
trade. You get. So I've known about Forex, but I've never traded. I've never taken my time. I only read the candlesticks by that time, and I stopped there. I never got into trading.
Actually, jokingly, he told me,
I'm going to
take trading serious. And we went to Ginger for
it was
my
his birthday.
Yeah.
You get.
And then I was making money.
What is the stop loss?
Huh? No stop loss.
Huh?
What is stop loss? What is the stop loss?
No, I forgot.
If you don't put the stop loss, but let me first soup you.
Hey, calm down. I'm going to.
Alright, put stop loss. Put stop loss.
Let me first.
Put stop loss. You see these profits, you can only protect them when you have a stop loss. Put stop loss. Put stop loss. Making money.
Even before we went to Ginger, I was making blowing. Why? I never knew about the news. You get. I wasn't like taking the analysis serious. Another thing is I never trusted that strategy. You get. I was jumpy, but I hate losing money. I would rather spend my money recklessly, because there are times I've spent about 5 million on TikTok just gifting people. You get. I would rather spend my money recklessly than to lose it where I expected what? To make money. That is That is what actually pushed me more. You get? So I've been, every time I made money, I took out my profit. Actually, when I went to Kenya, the last time when I went to Kenya, my vacation in Mombasa was money from Forex.
We actually we had to make a video.
We did make a video.
We did make the video
because I sent him the screenshots. You get? That day I made about $500 and was to stay in Mombasa for only 2 days, 3 days. That money was enough for me to enjoy life there. You get? So, and then also my ticket back to Uganda was from Forex too. You get? My ticket back from Uganda. So literally the money that I had in my bank account, I didn't touch on it. Like I didn't touch the money. I just flipped my $100 to $400, withdrew $300, bought my ticket. On my way, I flew the following day. Like the following day, we went to Mombasa. That same day, I made $400 extra from what? From the $100 that I had left in the account, making my vacation easier. You understand? Then came back, my moods had gone up. So I came back, the $100 I blew it up. I took some days off. I deposited again. So what this is, every time I blew up the account, every time I made a mistake and blew up the account, because I love to trade gold. You get? And you know gold, small movement, account can easily go if it is a small account. So I kept on like, you get, like, I kept on pushing. I deposit, I lose money, and I'm like, should I continue? I shouldn't. Nah, I'm like, I already made, like, can I say, an agreement with myself? 12 months straight. Consistency. That was the thing. You get? That was the thing. I said, I'm going to be consistent. Whether I'm losing or making money, doesn't matter. I have to grab this skill. I have to get the skill down. You get? I said I'm not gonna stop trading because I'm losing money. You get? So I said consistency is going to make me understand the market, is going to help me with the psychology. You get? Because you will lose money over and over and over again. You get? And then when you lose money, there is a way to trigger you to become patient. There is a way to trigger you to get used to losing money, so you don't get hurt so much like the first time you lost money. You get? And that is when you now go back, instead of putting in money, you go back and learn. And then you come back, when you've learned something new, you put in money. So every time I lost money, I learned a lesson.
Guys, whenever you're trading and you make mistakes, you need to learn from your mistakes, because you're paying for them. So when you lose money and you're not learning from your mistakes, that is really
then that is you've lost money.
Yeah.
You get? So I kept on losing, man. But every time I was learning, even when I made, I was like, okay, what helped me make money today? Okay, I did this and this, so I should keep this one up. How did I lose this money today? I forgot about news. I should keep up with the news. I didn't see this coming in. You get? Like, I kept on learning slowly. Right now, you can give me a naked chart and I will do for you analysis straight up. You get?
Bro, let's wait for show them here.
You get?
Let me show them, guys.
But when does this game get fucking good?
So guys, look at this. This is this week. Let's show you guys. He started up here. You can see. Deposited 100.
Show them where I blew the last account. You see the.
Let's first take this one.
Mm-hmm.
You see, he blew it. Deposited another 100. Made money. Deposited another 15 here. Now profits. Look at profits. Consistency. Profits. And then he withdrew 700. These are all withdrawals. These are, you can see here, withdrawals. Withdraw. $700 withdraw. Left some money there.
And then this is where I took the trade, but instead the market was still going up, but I thought it was going to reverse. You get? So the first went, actually I was in a loss of $400, but when it came back close to it, I was like, before it shoots up again, let me take the loss, be a man. I became a man and I took the loss. Those are the losses that you are seeing up there.
So guys, you can see here, so profits, $200 profits. You can see this is not just $200, guys. Those are pips. So you can see, guys, profit $2,000, withdraw $1,000. You can see, traders, guys, just give trading time. I tell you, trading, you need to focus at least for 6 months. You can see trading. Again, today only $300.
$340 because I withdrew and I was left with $300.
He's making more money than your mentors.
Yeah.
I swear.
And I'm a beginner. I'm not going to lie to people out trying to fake it so that I can have the commission from the brokers and all that. No.
So guys,
We keep it real here. You get? We are going to keep it real, and we shall show you real results. I will the next time. Since I've shown you my first $2,000, next time I'm going to show you my first $10,000
profits
from this $100,
and
I'm going to show you $10,000.
And most of you guys would be wondering, what is the strategy? Price action.
Price action.
Make Forex easy, guys. You make your first $2,000.
Your first $2,000.
He didn't make it depositing 1,000.
I made it from $100.
Yeah.
By the way, I'm not gonna lie to you. YouTube is the best teacher that you will ever find.
You're watching by Self-sufficiency and you haven't subscribed. Why
Why are you watching when you're
guys,
not?
if you want to make your first $2,000, make sure to subscribe.
Subscribe and then watch the content and also share to your friends, man.
Yeah.
The only thing is I ask him questions and he answers them. Why? I do my own research. I go and try to learn on my own. Where I don't understand is when I come and I ask him.
Always extra effort.
Extra effort is what helps.
As you as a trader is what makes you learn. Even though me I come in as a mentor, I teach you whatever, but the extra effort you guys put in for yourself is what will make you.
So if I didn't put in the effort, remember I'm in his Telegram group where he drops signals twice or thrice a week.
Yeah.
Sure signals where people are making money from the group. You get? Like personally, I've never traded his signals, never in my life. For 1 good year coming to 2 years.
I think that days where like I made really so much money. And I asked him, do you take this trade? And he says no, and I'm on my head. I'm like,
man, this guy also.
you're wasting signals and people are paying for this. But you know, this is what I keep on telling you guys. You need to set out rules for yourself. One of the best rules is to cut out anything outside your system. So he said, don't use my signal. That is cutting out everything outside your system, so that you can focus. So it means if you had spoon fed him signals,
then I would have made money, but I wouldn't have learned anything.
But now, bro, even though I go to the US now, or he goes to the US, he can just.
I can still make my money because I have learned how to trade, and I'm still learning. Not that I've learned, I'm still learning how to trade, guys. Trust me. I started in April. Trading, you get, before his birthday, 1 month before his
May,
June, July, August. You continue.
May, June, July, August, September,
October.
6 months. This is what I keep on telling you guys. Did you see how accurate that was? 6 months is what you need to start seeing results. You won't see you still. And guys, it's not that it's not going to blow up accounts. No, guys, this is trading.
I might have made this, and maybe I might make a mistake again, but I'm going to learn from that.
But there's nothing like giving up.
I'm not.
He would have given up the time where he. Oh my god. The times I blacked out and I was laughing.
Yeah. So guys,
the need is a PC,
a phone, internet, plus the information.
Start out to trade.
Make sure you subscribe, share, like, and drop a comment.
We are coming back.
Let me hope I've inspired somebody, because this is me. I'm real. I'm not fake. This is the idiot you know on TikTok, on social media, and others. Now we've started this journey.
Forex trader.
The next video you will see me. Maybe we shall make videos. Maybe like participating in him creating videos and all that.
Yeah.
But the next time we talk about me, should be $10,000 in my trading account.
$10,000.
And I'm promising you, I'm going to do it.
Just watch.
Watch and see.
Keep on wasting time.
Subscribe.